Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette and I'm excited that you are with me today because I have for you really easy, really quick DIYs you can do at home. We made our way to Dollar Tree early one morning and they weren't even open yet. We had to wait a couple of minutes. All right guys, so our Dollar Tree here locally has some really good stickers section. I mean, they have a ton of stickers and rub-on transfers that the possibilities are endless. And we are kicking it off with these colorful flowers, and they are not the colors that I want on my home decor. It's not the ones that I use. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint them. We're going to give them one coat over Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white, let that dry, and then we're going to start using a combination of different colors of blues. They are kind of like teal colors. Two of them are from Rust-Oleum, and then one of them is from Bear. They're beautiful colors. They really complement each other. That's what I wanted to do. So we're going to do one stripe, or one row, I should say, of one color, then the next row a different color, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to take one of these vases at Dollar Tree. You can find these all the time. They have even smaller ones as well. And I'm going to start placing the flowers. They have a little sticky in the back and they stick pretty well to the glass actually. I made sure that the glass was clean and dust free. And then I'm just going to place them all towards the front of the vase. Here's why. The flowers on the back are still very colorful. So we want to make sure that the flowers are only placed in the front of the vase. That way it's facing the fronts, and of course they're just stuck on here with sticky sticker. You can remove them, and that's the beautiful thing. Once you remove them, you have a vase that you can use in any other decor, any other season. But I'm just going to start lining them kind of like going upwards, and I think it turned out gorgeous. I love it. Such an easy project, such an easy hack way to use these stickers. If you enjoy DIY home decor, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I post every single week, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of the content. Our next Dollar Tree hack is going to be with these little mug from Dollar Tree and these stickers from water bottles. They're actually water and heat resistance. At least that's what it says on the sticker. I have not tried it. I don't think they're dishwasher safe, but it can hold heat from the mug. And of course it can get wet so you can wash them. So we're going to use the one that says always time for coffee, I believe it said, and we're going to place it right in the front. Again, we're going to make sure that the glass is dust free and it is grime free. We want to make sure that it sticks really, really well. So we're going to stick it right inside, and I thought it would be a really great idea to use this little mug as a little like gift. So I thought let's use one of these Dollar Tree masks that we can place right inside, and then add some of these beautiful flowers from the Dollar Tree. They're pink. I'm going to leave the little green leaves, and I'm going to place 3 of them right inside, and it would be so stinking cute. It would be great just the mug, but I think adding the mask inside just added that extra touch. I think is absolutely stunning. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow and helps this video reach more people. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we're going to start with this board that I got at the thrift store. It was only 99 cents and it's solid wood, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. We're going to remove the back hooks because we're not going to use it horizontally. We're actually going to use this one vertically. I'm going to give it one coat of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white, and I am using one of my favorite brushes recently. I get it on Amazon. I got like 2 and then I got 2 more. I have them on my Amazon store. If you've never visited, it is linked down below, so make sure you check it out once you're done watching this video. All right, so we are going to take the sanding block and we're just going to sand down the edges, just the edges, very slightly for a farmhouse look. Once the paint was dry, I'm going to wipe it really, really well because we want to make sure that the stickers are going to stick. So you do not want any dust. These butterfly stickers are beautiful. They're like 3D. I can't believe they're $1.25. I seriously think it's one of the most beautiful stickers I have seen. So we're going to start placing them upwards on this board. We're going to start with some of the larger ones
and then we're going to make our way up to these smaller ones. Now they're just two sizes, large or small, but I'm just going to make sure that they're also color wise are going to be staggered, and just use kind of like common sense and just kind of see what that looks pleasing to the eye. So we're just going to do that, and that's it. Such an easy way to use these butterflies. You can use them on birthday cards, of course. You can use them on paper crafting, but I think using them as decor is just absolutely beautiful. I love the way this one turned out. So fresh, so kind of like summery, beautiful. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we're going to take this wooden house that I had for a long time now. I got this one probably about 2 years ago at the Target dollar spot. It came, I think, 2 in a pack. And I'm just going to give it one light, fresh coat of white paint in front. The back, it still has that distressed look, so we can always turn around and use the back as is. But the front now has a fresh white coat. We're going to take these rub-on stickers that again you can find in that sticker area, and we're just going to start pressing them. So the way you do these rub-on ones is just start pressing them with something hard. You can use a popsicle stick. Right now I'm just using the back side of this Cricut tool, I don't know, and I'm just placing them where I think they're going to look nice all over the front side of the wooden house, and that's it. Again, it can't get any easier. Now, I didn't even have to paint the house. It was just by choice because I just wanted it to have a brighter, fresh look. But overall, adding these rub-on transfers just added so much freshness. It is beautiful, it is trendy, and I love the way it turned out. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we are going to take some of this craft paper. It is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. It's one of those that comes in a book. And I love the design. I like the pink and striped look that it has. So I'm going to cut a piece of it because we're going to make a bookmark. So I cut it to a size where I think a bookmark would have. And then I'm going to angle cut the top, just the top. And then we're going to make a hole right on the top with my crop-a-dile, which I also have on my Amazon store. The stickers that we're going to be using are these set. It's like a happy birthday set, but it has these little flowers. First of all, the set is beautiful. Once again, just awesome price for $1.25. You just can't go wrong. So I'm going to grab some of the floral ones. I'm going to place it right on top. I'm going to take the same one and we're going to just place it a little tilted on the bottom. And then we're going to take the one that says thank you and we're going to place it right on top. I think that it'll be a great little gift for like a teacher or a best friend or whomever, mom. I just think it would be a really great gift as a bookmark. So we're going to add some of these ribbon. This is just part of a bundle that I got at Hobby Lobby, or no, Michael's. It was just a bundle of black and white ribbon. This one had a very unique design. So I cut 2 strips, threaded it through the hole, tied it in the knot in the front or in the top. Just 2 knots was fine. Make sure that at the ends were cut all to the same size, and that's it. So easy. You can make this with any paper you have, cardboard, any other craft paper. I think it's absolutely beautiful. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we are going to take more crafting paper. This is from the same bundle, the same book that I got the other one from. This one we're going to cut to about maybe 8 inches, something like that. And we're going to fold it in half. We're going to make a card. So this rub-on transfer says, dream until your dreams come true. And such an easy one. We're just going to place it toward the bottom right corner of the greeting card. And once again, it's as simple as just basically rubbing it on and making sure that it's on there. I'm going to take a quick minute and just remind you to visit my Etsy shop. It is linked down below, so make sure you check it out. I added a new collection with watercolors, and I think it's beautiful. So I did add one more of those floral stickers from the previous set, and I think this turned out so pretty. My daughter actually gave it to her teacher for Teacher Appreciation Day, and I love it. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we're going to take this little mini grapevine wreath that I have had for a while. I actually had Decor already on it. I ripped it off because it just didn't need it anymore. And I'm going to start adding some of these greenery picks that I got off of a larger pick, and I just cut them into little individual branches. And we're going to hot glue as well as stick them in there as tight as we can. We're going to get the decorations on the right side of the wreath. And we're going to sell this one on my booth, so I want to make sure that it's secure and is not going to go anywhere. We're going to add some of these pink Dollar Tree florals. I think they're beautiful. Are they daisies? They look like daisies, but I don't know if daisies come in pink. Let me know. And then after I place the florals, these golden metallic feathers are beautiful. They have little tiny stickers, but we're not going to use them as stickers. We're actually going to add some of these skewers sticks I just cut in smaller pieces, and then I just hot glue them to the bottom. That way we can stick them inside the wreath. Now, I did change it later on, and I started adding leftover floral stems because they're flexible. You can bend them, and they're also thinner. So it worked out really well. You can see it there. So there's just a better hack for you. So once I added the feathers where I wanted them, that's it. Such an easy hack to use these feathers the way I used them. Of course, you can use them on paper, on crafts, whatever else you want. But I thought adding them to this wreath is just absolutely beautiful. The next Dollar Tree hack is so easy. It's one of these kind of like a beachy themed mason jar or glass stickers, and we're just going to place them on this beautiful shaped vase from Dollar Tree. And we're going to start again with the larger ones on the bottom because that's where the larger part of the vase is, and we're going to work our way up and then go with like medium size all the way to small ones until we get to the top one. We're also going to remain in the front of the vase again. I just want them all to be in the front. There's no need to put any on the sides or the back, because you're not going to see them that much, and they're not that many stickers. Now, you can buy maybe 2 or 3 sets and then put them all around the vase. I think that'd be very pretty, but in this case, I just had 1 set, so I just place them again from large to small to the top, and I think it's beautiful. I just can't stand it. Now, I think I would have put maybe some white tiny rocks that you can find at Dollar Tree in the bottom of the vase, but I think it's beautiful. For the next Dollar Tree hack, we're going to use one of these little chalkboards from Dollar Tree and floral stickers. These are puff ones, so they have a lot of texture to them. And we're going to start placing them towards the bottom and right side of the board. Now, it doesn't matter about color here. We're just going with size because we're going to be painting them anyways. So I'm just focusing on making sure that they start again with larger to smaller. So we're going to start with largest in the corner, and then as they get further away from the corner, we're going to get to medium size and then small size. And again, we're going to do that on the bottom as well as the top. Now, what I like about these is they're not made out of paper, so we are going to paint them, and that worked really, really well because it didn't make the paper soggy or anything. They kind of have like a little plastic feel to them, so it worked out well. I did give it 3 coats though of Rust-Oleum chalk paint because I wanted to make sure that it was going to be on there. The second and third coats I did dab instead of brush. Just a little inside note there. Now we're going to use this reusable stencil by A Maker Studio. It's beautiful. If you've never used A Maker Studio stencils, they are reusable. They have sticky on the side. This is one of their chalk paste, and we're just going to stencil it and then remove it, and this green really pops on that white. So now the stickers are just a detail that looks like it's part of the board. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to take some of these leafy green picks that came out of a larger pick, and then we are going to hot glue one of those flowers from earlier, the pink ones, and we're just going to do it right in the center, and that's it. These are easy, these are quick, and these are absolutely beautiful ways you can use these Dollar Tree stickers. They're not expensive, but they're gorgeous. I highly recommend them. You're going to have to let me know which one is your favorite. I can't choose. I love them all. I think they're all fresh, they're beautiful, they're easy and quick, and so inexpensive. If you are visiting for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you consider joining our YouTube family and hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you so much. At the end of this video, we are going to have more inspiration for you. So make sure you click on one of these 2 thumbnails right here. You're going to get tons of inspiration. And that's it. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.